Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another decluttering video. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm out of breath. These are books, obviously, and they're from two of my drawers. This is from one drawer, then I have a whole entire stack on the floor. So we're gonna try to get through all these. If you didn't know, well, welcome if you're new here. I am moving this summer, and the craft room that I'm moving into is about half the size of the one that I'm in now. So I need to de-stash and declutter and get a little bit more organized and really be ruthless on what I am keeping and what I'm giving away. Because I just do not have the room for it all. So we're gonna get started. Okay, some of these books are just stunning. I don't know. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard. Okay, this is English Thai dictionary. I'm sure I got it for free at the Salvation Army, and I absolutely love the writing in it and everything. It's white, however, I really don't use it all that often, so it's going away. Okay, this I got in Happy Mail, and it is such a beautiful book. It's Indian Florals, and I got it from Loveland Slave. So sweet. And it just, I mean, look at that paper. It's really glossy, but it is really beautiful paper, especially to use as backgrounds or as journaling cards or whatever. And a lot of them look like, very vintagey to me, Maybe they have a date. I don't know. Yeah, 1850. So vintage, we're talking, like a long time ago. 1920s. I mean, they're just really just beautiful images. So I'm definitely going to keep this. I don't know. Oh, it appears to be sewn in. Let's see. So if it is sewn in, is it? Is it not? I can't tell. Yep, it is. It's sewn in. So that's perfect. And then once I'm done using the innards of the book, of course, I can use this as a beautiful journal, one signature journal. And look at that. It has like a CD in the back. I don't know what it is, but it's got a ready-made pocket in the back. So wouldn't that be a great book to repurpose? So yeah, I am going to keep that one. You know me and my red covers. This is a, Shakespeare glossary. Look at that. This is too luscious to give away. I got this free at the library, I'm sure. Or maybe for 50 cents or something at Salvation Army. So let's see. 1911. Oh, that was the first edition. No, so this is from 1963. Beautiful. Yep, keeping that one. Okay. For my son, these were like beautiful poems and stuff that I got for my son, and yeah. To the ones who say this day is bad, I'll reply to them, my son, some never appreciate every day till they almost miss just one. Just beautiful poems. I'm not sure that I'm going to keep it though. So again, being ruthless. Now, here is a dictionary. And these are sewn in pages, so they work really well. So this I'm definitely keeping. This is a keeper. Oh gosh, this one, look at this big fatty. Beautiful book. And it's a whole bunch of quotations, familiar quotations now, and it's from all different people, I don't know. I might save this and see if my daughter wants it, because she is, after all, an English major. So I don't know. This one I'm on the fence about, because I'm just not sure if she might want it. This is an older book in a different language, not keeping it. This is Green Mansions by W.H. Hudson. This book, let me see. It was owned by Marianne Kelly of Fort Wayne, Indiana. But I don't, I think I've looked through this, and I've even tried to look it up, like, you know, to see if it's worth anything. Like, I don't know. It's on this beautiful paper. I'm not sure if it's sewn in. It appears to be sewn in. I don't know. But I have had it for years and I have not used it. So it's going away. I've tried to look for a copyright date. But I have not found one. I've never found a copyright date. I mean, what kind of book doesn't have a copyright date? I don't know. But this one does not. And yeah. Again, like I said, I've tried to look it up. I can't find anything on it. Yeah. I don't know. If y'all see a date, let me know. I don't see one, which is unfortunate. Maybe it's under this thing, this book plate. I don't know. I don't think so. Anyway, I'm getting rid of it. So there you have it. Sorry about that. This child craft book. Now let me see. Okay, see, I've taken some of these pages out. I can tell. Yeah, I've cut them out because I think these childcraft books, if I'm not mistaken, they are not, I mean, look at these. They are beautiful pictures and stuff. Like, look at that. Just how fun, right? This is, you see, I've cut it up and whatever, some of them, but yeah, I mean, yeah, it's going away. I'm not going to keep it. Let's see, what is this? Treasury of Poems. Again, I don't think I've taken anything out of here. I might give this to my daughter. I don't know. I'll see if she wants it. I thought that was funny. The pessimist. So mean. The thing with these, the thing with this, okay, is I might see if my daughter wants it, but I couldn't really use it. And I didn't notice it at the time. Like, I don't know if I got it free from the library or if I got it from the Salvation Army, but the poems are not just on one page, you know? They take up more than one page. And so, yeah, I don't know. I'll have to ask my daughter if she wants that. Whoops. And then this one here, the Unabridged Crossword Puzzle Dictionary. I think I have another one, a smaller one, but look at these luscious pages. Yes, I am keeping these. Someone's written in them. But yeah, and I mean, like, the whole block is falling apart, which it's like a nice, like, reddish cover. Yeah, I really like that one, so I'm keeping that one. This is the Tabor's Cyclopedic Medical Dictionary. I don't think I'm keeping this one. I know you're probably clutching your pearls, but I'm not going to keep this one. That goes over there. And then this one I am keeping. This is the Modern Reader's Japanese English Character Dictionary, and just look at it. It's just beautiful, and the pages are fabulous. I mean, they're just beautiful. So, like, silky soft, just beautiful. So yes, this I am keeping. So our box is slowly getting full, folks. Okay, let me get up another stack here. All right, here we go. Hope you could see all of this stuff. Oh gosh. Whew. Oh my gosh. We're just like, this is the tip of the iceberg, folks. I'm telling you. Okay, not keeping this, even though it's super cute. I don't need it. All of these McCalls, I'm not keeping. And these are pretty old. 1974. So, I mean, look at, oh gosh, I don't know. See, like, some of these would be super cute to put into a journal. Oh my word. And let me see. See, they're stapled on this. I don't know. See, now I might have to keep some of these. Because look how fun that is in the back. Oh my word. That would be so fun. Just in any journal. Like not even, you know. What is this? Is this like a... Oh, it's the index and remind... Okay. This one I might have to keep. Yeah, because that looks like fun. And yeah, okay. But like this one, not going to keep this one. Even though the pictures are, you know, they're nice and they're vintage and all of that. Yeah, not keeping that. Cakes and pies, no. Merry eating, no. Coast to coast, no. Cocktail time, no. Wine tasting party, these are all vintage, but I'm not like, look at that one. Holiday drink book. Yikes. I don't do this stuff. I mean, look at that. That's got to be like from the 70s, you know? I don't know. Does it say? Does it say? That's weird. Look at that. Like, the cover of that is bizarre. Huh. Oh, it's from Hallmark. Isn't that funny? Huh. Okay. All of these, I do believe I got... These might have been from my mother-in-law. I don't know. These are just pictures. This I got just because I thought the pictures were really awesome and bright and colorful and all of that. It's street art from South Africa, but I'm not going to keep it. This right here, not keeping it. It was just a book in a different language. Beaded arts, not keeping it. Have no need for it. That was an interesting book, not keeping it. Antiques, this was a fun book and had, you know, has really nice pictures in it or whatever, but I'm not keeping it, just saying. This one was like a nice size book. It's Florida in poetry, but not keeping it. I mean, look at that. That whole stack I'm not keeping. Yeah, just because I don't need it. Okay, let's bring up this. Oh, let's see what we got here. Oh gosh. Okay. This definitely keeping, all right? This is, I don't even know where I got this from. I have no clue, but I am keeping it. It's ledger paper, so yeah, yes please. So keeping that. This is a blank pad, so I don't need that, do I? Although I suppose I could. No, this is like glossy like. Nope, not gonna need that. Okay, that goes over there. Okay, here are like 2018 calendars, right? And they are super cute, but I didn't use them in 2018, so what's the point? This one, 2016. Nope. Look at all these. I must have gotten them like at the Dollar Tree. These are beautiful, but see, they have like these really big, I don't know if that's, I really hope that's not too glary. Sorry about that. But they have, it is beautiful, but I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to use that. Okay, what is this? 1 divider, letter size. These are really good for something. I don't know. I'll save them for my daughter if she wants them. This is just random papers from calendars again. I don't need those anymore. This was the Art of Stripe, and I have cut, see, like, look at these blocks. They're so pretty, and they would go really well for like you know, a journaling card or whatever, but not gonna use it, you know. This Christmas book, I'm not sure if this was given to me or if I bought it. I can't remember. But I mean, beautiful images. It's very glossy though, and it's Norman Rockwell, you know, obviously. But the pictures are super huge, and yeah, I'm not gonna use it. So it is really nice though. So there's that. Okay, here are more calendars, which I am not going to use. Like, all of these are calendar pages. Just not going to use them. They've been in my drawer for literally years. This, I mean, I've used this obviously, but I could cut out these couches because, you know, like if I have couch cuddles or whatever, or I have a bed day, there's another, I might just go through and fussy cut these couches out because, yeah. Because like my husband and I on the weekends, that's like what we do. We have couch days. So yeah, I might go through and just do that. See, like such a cute couch, you know? Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do that. Just go through and cut out the couches, or the beds. Like the couches and the beds, I'll just cut them out. Yeah, I think I'll save that to go through. This is a beautiful book. I don't think I've used any of it, but the pictures are super huge and they are beautiful. It's the, what is it? The National Geographic. Like, oh, this is like one of my favorite photos, very famous photo, if you can even see it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not keeping this. Yeah, I'm just not. I haven't used it in all these years. I'm not going to be using it now. So, oh my goodness. Well, I think that went well. Interesting. Yeah, I'm done. I'm already done. Yeah, I've got, I only saved, out of all of those books, I only saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books and the ledger paper, and that's it. Everything else is going to be given away. So, and I'm going to go through this and fussy cut out some couches and beds and such, and just keep that, I don't know, in one of my drawers for now. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I do believe that I have more boxes of books, folks. Yes, I do. So I'm going to have to go through those at some point. I don't think I have any books in my closet, which is good. But I have other places where I have books stashed. So we're going to have to go through, I think, under my desk, if I'm correct. Yeah, under my desk, I have a few boxes of books that I need to go through. And yeah, so I think what I'm going to do is have, you know, like separate. Somebody had put in my first decluttering books video. And if you want to see the decluttering series, go ahead and check the link below. It'll be down there. I have a playlist for it. But they said that they had gone through their books and they had like separated them into like covers that they wanted and then innards that they wanted and stuff like that. And that's sort of how I'm going to be organizing mine. Yeah. So we'll see. But I'm down to one box so far. Out of all my books, I've only filled one copy box with stuff that I'm keeping. So yay me. Okay, yay me. And okay, so I'm going to let you guys go. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I really appreciate your support, and thank you for cheering me on as I declutter my craft room in order to move. So yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day and a wonderful week. And I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.